Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to this week's episode of... You know we're filming, right? And you're eating while we're filming.
No, I'm not.
Deny.
What are you eating?
Nothing.
It's cookie dough, isn't it?
No.
We talked about this. Cookie dough is not good for you. It's raw.
But I like it.
It's raw egg and raw flour. Not good.
You don't tell me what to do.
Alright, can you give me the cookie dough?
No.
Give me that cookie dough.
No.
Give me the cookie dough!
Run.
Sorry about that, everybody. Whew. I got it, by the way. So, today's episode has definitely been decided for us. We will be looking at cookie dough, specifically edible cookie dough.
All cookie dough is edible.
Apologies, audience. Today we'll be looking at cookie dough you can eat without the risk of salmonella or food poisoning. So, today we'll be looking at 3 classic cookie recipes, all delicious, family friendly. We got options with chocolate, options without, and just gonna be a little bit of mixing, no baking, no eggs. Let's dive right in. Now with cookie dough, it's not just the raw eggs that are not edible, it's also the flour. Now, to make edible cookie dough, you're gonna wanna pre-treat this flour. And to do that, oven 350 degrees, put this sucker in there for 7 minutes. Now, because I'm gonna be making 3 different flavors of cookie dough, 3 cups of flour. Typically wanna do 1 cup of flour per cookie dough recipe. So, 3, makes sense. Into the oven it goes. Now again, with editor magic, we'll be able to get this done just like that. Like that. We will get this to work one day, don't worry. Now, once our flour has been pre-treated, it's time to make the cookie dough. Now, this recipe is gonna be pure chocolate chip. Typical cookie dough flavor, really good. We're gonna start off with 1 cup of our pre-treated flour, so it's not raw. And then to that, we're gonna go ahead and add a half a cup or 1 stick of softened butter, half a cup of tightly packed brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of our granulated white sugar, a little bit of vanilla extract, if I can open it. Oh, so weak. Anyways, a little bit, just a little bit of our vanilla extract there. Pinch of salt. Now, once that's done, it's hand mixer time. Just like you were making normal cookie dough. Now, once it starts getting to this level, you want to start adding a little bit of milk, little by little. You don't want it to be too moist, but obviously you don't want it to be too dry either. So just a swig of milk. There we go. And it's time to keep on mixing. And there we have it. Wait a minute. I feel like I'm missing something. That's right. Half a cup of chocolate chips. And once everything's nice and mixed, bam, edible chocolate chip cookie dough. All right, cookie dough recipe number 2. This is my personal favorite, the Funfetti flavor. Now, just like the last one, the chocolate chip, a cup of our pre-treated flour. Pre-treated, not raw. And to that, once again, get out of there, bam. A stick or half a cup of softened butter, 2/3 a cup of our white granulated sugar. Once again, a little bit of our vanilla extract and salt. Just a pinch of salt, pinch. And once again, some more ASMR brought to you by Hand Mixer. There we go. Now once again, once it's about broken up as much as you can with the butter, we're throwing a little bit of milk. Glug, 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 glug. And let's continue mixing. There we go. Now, I can't help but feel like I'm missing something. Funfetti, Funfetti. Oh, that's right. Rainbow sprinkles. Never have too many sprinkles. And there we have it. Edible Funfetti cookie dough. And we are down to the last cookie dough flavor. Now, this one's gonna be a double chocolate chip, which is gonna have actually more of a texture like a brownie batter. So brownie batter with chocolate chips. So good. Now, unlike the last two recipes, this one's only used 2/3 of a cup of the flour. Not a full cup, just 2/3 a cup. And to that, we're gonna go ahead and add 1/3 a cup of cocoa powder. Once again, another stick of softened butter. A cup of granulated sugar. A pinch of salt. Some vanilla extract as well. And it's time to mix. There we go. Now let's throw in some milk again. Glug, 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 glug. And let's keep on mixing. Now once again, I feel like I was missing something. That's right, double chocolate chip. And there we have it, 3 for 3 of the edible cookie dough. Ooh. Boom, and there we have it. 3 perfectly safe to eat cookie dough recipes. Now, a little bit of warning, you definitely want to have these chilled, gives it more cookie dough appearance and better flavor. Also, it lasts about a week in the fridge, so keep that in mind when you're thinking, when am I gonna roll these out? But other than that, they're delicious, highly recommended. And that's gonna be it for today's episode. Thank you so much for tuning in and sticking with me this long. If you enjoyed what you saw, please like and subscribe down below. We greatly appreciate it. And as always, if there's any recipes you want me to take a look at or anything you're curious about, please comment down below. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this one, definitely my favorite. You guys go do whatever it is you do. Bye-bye.